SBA Publications.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Sunisati. I am also good at my place. So students, in this video we are going to start our chapter number 10 and the name of our chapter is Money. Money. So बच्चों money क्या होता है? पैसे, रुपया जो कि हम खर्च करते हैं, जो कि हम यूज करते हैं to buy the things. Okay? So we are going to learn about the same in this chapter. So money. Let's revise. It costs ₹5 to play the game of shooting. तो चलिए रिवाइज करते हैं. एक गेम है शूटिंग जिसको खेलने के लिए ₹5 उसकी कॉस्ट है. Add up the coins that these animals have and write down the sum in the blankets. So what we have to do here, हमें coins add करने हैं जो कि इन animals के पास है. And then we have to write them in the blanks. Then circle the animals whose coins total up to 5 or more to show that they can play the game. और अब उन animals को circle कीजिए जो कि इस game को खेल सकते हैं. So he has 1, 2, 3 rupees. He has 1, 2, 3. This elephant has 2 and 2 and 4 and 5, 5. This one has 3. This one has 6. And 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Okay, so ₹5 थी आपके गेम की कॉस्ट. अब जिनके पास 5 है या 5 से ज्यादा है वही इस गेम को खेल सकते हैं. Like this elephant and this squirrel and this fox. Okay, only these 3 animals are able to play that game. Now we have exercise 10.1. Count the money the first one has been done for you. So simply count the money. 10 plus 5, that is 15 rupees. Then 16, 17 rupees. Then plus 1 is 18 rupees. 1 has been done for you. So now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and these are 50 paisa. These together are making 1 rupee. So 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7 rupee. Okay, similarly 50 plus 15, that is 100, 100 plus 10 is 110 and 115. 100 plus 50 plus 20, that is 170. Okay, similarly you have to do the rest of the question of question number 1 by yourself. Now we have question number 2. Circle the notes and coins needed to buy. Here we are provided with the things and their cost. Like ये pencils है, इनकी cost है 17. So हमें circle करना है to make ₹17. 10 plus 5 are 15, then 2, 16 and 17. Okay. Now B is telling that balloon is the cost of 10. So 5 and then make some 5 from this. So 2 and this one. So these are making 5 and 5, 10. Okay. So, in a similar manner, you have to make circle to the rupees. Now, maths fact, count the money from the biggest amount to the smallest. Here we are provided with a small activity. It's up to you कि आपको करना है कि नहीं करना है. Count the money and from the biggest amount to the smallest. तो आपको biggest amount से smallest amount तक count करना है money को. Now we have rupees and paise. The concept of rupees and paise. Money can be combination of rupees and paise. जो money है वो हमारे combination of rupees and paise होता है. For example, this is the note of 5 rupee and this is the coin of 50 paise. It is written as 5.50 rupee. We read it as 5 rupees 50 paise. Similarly, this is 10 plus 5, that is 15 rupee 50 paise. So we will read it as 15 rupee 50 paise. Now we have exercise 10.2. Complete the table. 5, then 6, 7, 8, 8 rupees 50 paisa. 1 has been done for you, 8 rupees 50 paise. Now second one is 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. So we will write here rupees 70. Do not forget to write the sign of rupee. Okay, that is known as 17 rupees. Okay, now we have 50 rupees, then 10 rupees, that is 60 rupees and 50 paise. So 60 rupees, 50 paise, 60 rupees and 50 paise. Similarly, rest of the part of this question you have to do by yourselves. Now we have the topic of adding and subtracting money. How we add the money, how we subtract the money. We add and subtract money as we do addition and subtraction of the numbers. जैसे हम addition of numbers कहते थे, उसी तरीके से हम addition and subtraction of money भी करेंगे. Okay? Here are some toys with their prices tags on them. So यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें हैं, उनके साथ उनका टैग भी लगा है. Okay? Add and find the total cost of. One ice cream is the cost of 15. And now one milk bottle is the cost of 80. So as an answer we are getting 95. Now one I am doing for you, one water bottle is of the cost of 30 rupees as we can see here. Okay. Then the second one is one football. So find out the cost of football. So that is 33. 33. Okay. So 33.00 paise. So 30 plus 33 is 63 rupees. Okay. Similarly, you have to complete this exercise by yourself in the behalf of above explanation. Now we have the concept of word problems. We all know what word problems are. That we are provided with some situation, with some story. We have to find out the digits and we have to calculate the answer from that digits. But do not forget to write the statement as well. Okay, in the answer also. So now word problems. I bought a toy car for 85 rupees. If I pay a note of 100, how much change should I get back? So, बच्चा है जिसने टॉय खरीदी है, टॉय कार खरीदी है, that is the cost of 85, जिसकी कॉस्ट है 85. अब उसने 100 रुपये नोट दिया है, 85 रुपीज उनके शॉपकीपर कट कर लेगा. So as a result, they are getting 15 rupees. So answer, I will get back 15 rupees. तो हमें बताना है कि आपको 15 rupees back मिलेंगे. Now exercise 10.3. The cost of a book is 60 and the cost of a notebook is 30. How much should I pay for these? So यहाँ पे दो cost दे रखी है. Book ली है, that is of the cost of 60. So add 60. Now another cost of a notebook is 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. So the total cost is 90. I pay 90 rupees. Okay. So similarly, you have to complete this exercise in behalf of our explanation part by yourself. So now we have revision worksheet. Now question number 1 says take the correct answer. The question number 1, how many 50 paise coins are there in 10 rupee? So we all know that 1 rupee contains 2 coins of 50 paise. So 10 rupee will contain 20 coin of 50 paise. So we will take at the 20 blank. Now we have fun activity part. Which 2 notes or coins will you pay for the following? So यहाँ पे आपके items के साथ tag लगा है. What we have to do here? हमें इसको देखकर समझना है कि हमें कौन से पैसे यूज करने पड़ेंगे, कितने पैसे, कितने रुपए और कितने कॉइन, कितने नोट्स. सो हियर इज द वैल्यू 12. तो 12 अगर अमाउंट है तो हम लिख सकते हैं 10 रुपी नोट एंड 2 रुपी कॉइन. Similarly 25 is, so you can write here 20 rupee note and 5 rupee coin. Okay. So now we have maths lab activity. Students, this maths lab activity you have to perform in your school maths lab. So by here we have completed our chapter and I hope each and every concept of this chapter are totally clear to you. If you found any query in this chapter, in any topic, please go once again to this video so that your concepts are totally clear. Let's meet you in the next video with another chapter. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye bye.